Hi guys, this is what I call the touch control. It can be used for many things. Card at any number. You can use it as a revelation, whatever you want to use it for. Anyway, I have a card selected or touched, and you notice I up jog the card like this. I show it. I don't see it, and I show it on this end. I show it, and as I come back, this card goes in as I toss this card here, and I put this pack underneath. So now your card is on the bottom of the pack. Let me do that again. It's ballsy. I know it is, but that's what I do. Anyway, card is touched. Up jog it. Show it. As I come around, the hands come together. This card goes in as I toss this here and kind of swing out and drop it over here. The selected card goes on the bottom. Now, doing that, shuffle the cards, and now I spread. I say, where would you like this card to go? Doesn't matter. It's not the card. Goes in here. I close up. And now the card is on the bottom of the pack. So how I get it to the top, what I did, I buckled the bottom card, like so. See it? The 10. I swing cut. And as I come around, I drop the bottom card on this pile. See? Turn it, turn it, turn it. Now the card is on top of the pack. Okay? That's one way to do it. There's many ways, but this is the way I do it. So now the card is on the pack. And you notice when I spread the cards, I spread them on an angle towards me because I want my right hand over here. So, and when I spread them, it's this. And I keep a bunch of cards here. It doesn't matter how many. 2, 3, 4, because they make it a little thicker. So no matter where they touch, this is called my glide control. Glide spread control. Okay, here's here. This is the card. Okay, the 10. They touch here. As I bring in this with my thumb and pinky, you could pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. I slide, I drag it. See, this card here is as I'm bringing this in, I'm sliding this card. It's like this. Two hands come together, put it on here, and now I give you the 10 of clubs. So one more time. 10 is on top. Spread it out. They touch any place. You can even have them use a pencil to touch. They touch as they're touching. I'm sliding up. I come here and I bring it off. And this, my friends, is the touch control. Thank you.